Now, young people across the country put their hands on this or that hustle. Bottom line is to make a shilling or two for their pocket. Somewhere in Kiambu, a 28-year-old is into manufacturing of low-cost organic fertilizer. To achieve this, he has turned to black soldier flies and red worms. On tonight's episodes of Young and Industrious, the story of George Kamau is told by Wangari Washuri.
A small percentage, but not much of it.
Ordinarily, worms are creatures that some, if not most of us, aren't comfortable interacting with. George Kamau was no exception throughout his childhood. But this changed shortly after graduating from his high school. That particular video and his instinctive need for money suppressed his phobia for worms. Now, almost 10 years down the line, and Kamau is literally feeding from the worms he will never touch at some point in his childhood.
We deal with black soldier flies, we deal with red worms, that is vermiculture and vermicomposting. We deal with azora, that is an aquatic plant for chicken feeds, pig, and other livestock animals. And also we deal with pigs and chicken.
Exactly how does Kamau multiply the worms so as the same can multiply his shillings through organic fertilizer?
When you get the worms, you make one of these, we call them the beds, vitanda. Them or tunazizalisha ili ziwe nyingi.
Over and above the worms helping in fertilizer making, they also end up being animal feeds, especially when used together with the azolla plant, which is key in proteins for his pigs and chicken.
So hapa ndio tunafuga the black soldier flies, which is inatusaidia in terms ya ku produce protein for chicken, pigs and fish.
And you're in a harvest.
Nothing is standing in the way of Kamau's vision. Never mind that ideally, the black soldier flies and the azolla plant are normally not found in the highlands like Limuru, where his business is located.
But they are very common in hot areas. So what we have done, that is why we are doing a greenhouse, to try and change the temperatures. So tukizifungia hapa, they get to be productive as compared to tukifanya in the open.
Having to improvise a habitat is not the only challenge the 28-year-old has had to face.
Yote inabaki ya soko. That is what BSF zinatumia. So at times it gets to be challenging, one, to deal with the waste, and at times also the availability.
Kamau says his parents came through for him by allowing him set up his enterprise there, with the Youth Enterprise Development Fund fueling his growth.
As part of Youth Fund, we also do, we don't only do lending, we also do marketing and linkages. And we were able to link him with Kenya Institute of Climate Innovation Center. And he was able to get this tuk-tuk as from the people. We gave him a link and he was able to apply and he benefited with this tuk-tuk.
Had anyone told Kamau that worms could pay his university fees, support his siblings, or even create employment for him, he would have most probably dismissed them.
Hiyo biashara ndio inalipa hiyo pesa yote na pia inafanya mambo mengine pia.
Well, for Kamau and his worms, there is a sad side to their relationship.
Now, did you know that black soldier flies have a specific place where they lay their eggs and they don't just do it anywhere? For Young and Industrious, I'm Wangari Washuri.